Hello, this is the prototype for the V3 or the prototype setup for the V3. There's a few minor changes for the new kits for the V3. This part has a better fitting here, and yeah, various small radius improvements here and there. However, the main aspect, the main change in the V3 is the charge part of the system design. There will be no longer 3D printed parts. So these are in the V1 and the V2. These are 3D printed and fiberglass wrapped and metal rings reinforced. However, I'm moving away from that for longevity reasons. I want this kit to last for a really long time. Another reason for moving away from the 3D printed reinforced parts is the possibility to run more boost. So these plastic parts can only take so much boost, you know, and some of you want to run EFI and more boost, and perhaps even I want to run more boost in the future. And yeah, these silicone parts are, you know, are going to allow us to do that. So anyway, what you see here is a mix of prototypes and final parts. So this is the finish we're gonna get. It's a silicone part, matte black. It's really cool, original looking OEM finish. So this is a part that I already have the tooling for, and I already have the serial parts for this. This is a prototype part. The tooling is ongoing for this. So this part will look exactly like that. And then this part, the bridge, the bypass bridge, will also be one piece silicone, just in the same finish. Because right now there's this shorter elbow, there's the longer elbow that connects to the intake of the supercharger, and then there's this aluminum T, a lot of clamps. So the design will be seamless one pipe with a nipple here, and the one-way valve will just be bolted into that nipple, and then the hose will go to the AAV valve. So mainly the V3 is just 3 silicone parts that replace the 3D printed and other parts as well. With this, there's only win-win-win-win situations. So system is more robust, more you know, reliable. It will last for a really long time compared to the 3D printed parts. It can take more abuse. You can drop these. You can hit them, and they are more, you know, more robust. Yeah, the assembly is easier. There's less clamps all around. There's just going to be a metal ring in between these two parts. So 2 clamps will come here, you know, like in the V2. The blow-off valve will no longer be bolted to this part like in the V2, rather than it will come with a flange, and the flange will go inside the silicone part, the silicone pipe, and there will be a clamp here. So you can you know, adjust the orientation of this however you wish. Yeah, so this is how the V3 will look like. maybe I missed an detail. So the V2 has the bypass valve directly bolted to this throttle body piece. Obviously, this being silicone, you can't bolt anything to it, you can't thread into it. So the V3 will come with a flange. It's 3D printed and reinforced, and the flange will be clamped to the silicone piece, and then the bypass valve bolted to this flange. So again, the V3 will be the V3 upgrade package for the V2 will be 3 custom silicone parts, 2 flanges, yeah, and that's about it.